Hi, I'm Tony Crimlis. This is another popular two-chord song. It's by Hank Williams and it's called Jambalaya. Goodbye Joe, me gotta go, me oh my oh. Me gotta go pull the pirogue down the bayou. My Yvonne, sweetest one, me oh my oh. Son of a gun, we'll have big fun on the bayou. Jambalaya and a crawfish pie and a filet gumbo. 'Cause tonight I'm gonna see my share meal. Big guitar, fill fruit jar and big ale. Son of a gun, we'll have big fun on the bayou. A 3-by-dough, Fontenot, the place is buzzing. Kinfolk come to see Yvonne by the dozen. We'll dress in style, go hog wild, me oh my oh. Son of a gun, we'll have big fun on the bayou. Jambalaya and a crawfish pie and a filet gumbo. 'Cause tonight I'm gonna see my share meal. Big guitar, fill fruit jar and big ale. Son of a gun, we'll have big fun on the bayou. Big guitar, fill fruit jar and big ale. Son of a gun, we'll have big fun on the bayou. Well, as I said, this is a song by Hiram King Hank Williams, known as Hank Williams, who was born in 1923 and was one of the most significant and influential American singers and songwriters of the 20th century. Sadly, after years of back pain, alcoholism and prescription drug abuse, he died unexpectedly from heart failure in the back seat of a car on his way to a concert at the age of just 29. Jambalaya is a popular spicy Louisiana Creole dish consisting of meat, pork, chicken, even rabbit, seafood, shrimp, crab, crawfish, and cooked with vegetables, stock, rice and various seasonings. It's quite spicy. The song paints a vivid picture of life in rural Louisiana with reference to places, events and culinary traditions. It speaks of a world filled with crawfish pies and filet gumbo, which is another kind of Creole stew, set against the background of bayous, swampy sections of a river or lake, and of night-long parties. Tiabo is the name of a city in Louisiana, but it's also a very common surname, as in Fontenot. And Pole the pirogue just means to get away or escape. It was released by Hank Williams in 1952 and was adapted from a traditional song called Grand Prairie. It's also been covered by Fats Domino, Joe Stafford, Brenda Lee, The Carpenters and others. Well, this song's only got 2 chords, which is a big advantage, and I've written it in the key of F, but I found Goodbye, oh la la la, it's a bit high for me, so what I've done is to play it the capo at the 4th fret. It's now in the key of A. Goodbye Joe, and I've sang it an octave lower, and that's much more comfortable for me. So we've now got the chord of A with the capo at the 4th fret and the chord of E7. Any 2 chords that are 5 notes apart will work just as well. I've also written it out in the key of C, which is more obvious, more usual. The strumming patterns I've used are just across the strings and deaden the sound with the palm of the hand or with the floppy fingers like that. And occasionally the thumb coming back up again. It's a jolly song and it's a great fun, and it's a very popular one with groups as well. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you found it helpful, and whatever you do, however you do it, have fun.